Hey, hi, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about VNet pairing. We will understand what is the VNet pairing is, why it is so important. Also, we will perform one practical steps or practical demo where we will configure, where we will do the VNet pairing between two VNets. So first, let's quickly understand what is VNet pairing is. Azure VNet pairing is a way to connect two virtual networks in the same region or across different regions. Pairing allow you to route the traffic between VNets using your private IP addresses. Also, your VNet become more secure because it will use your private IP instead of public IP. So why we need VNet pairing? So first is resource sharing. We can easily share our resources like virtual machines, database, and storage between two VNets. Also, it's give better security since traffic stay within the Azure backbone. So it's much more secure than public internet. Also, it's give low latency because pairing reduce latency and provide faster and more reliable connection between your VNets. And definitely it's very cost effective compared to VPN and any like express route. To perform practical, we are having two VNets. So if you can see here, I already have a two VNets. So VNet A, which is in East West 2, and VNet B in Center US. So to perform VNet pairing, first let's click on VNet A. To add a pairing, click on VNet A. Once you click on VNet A, under the setting, you will get option called pairing. Click on pairings. Now here you can create a pairing. To create a pairing, click on add. Here you need to define your pairing link name. Let me put VNet A, VNet A, VNet A to VNet. You can give the name as we are going to select resource manager as a deployment model. Here under the virtual network you need to you need to define you need to define VNet where you want to do the pairing. So I will select VNet B. To click once you select VNet, now you need to select pairing configuration. So under the pairing configuration, you can see allow VNet B to access VNet A. So if you just select this option to allow traffic from VNet B to VNet A. So if you can see here, so this option will help you to establish the connection or start the communication between your VNet to VNet. So you need to select enable this option and make sure this checkbox should select it. And the few other things like you can allow VNet B to receive forwarded traffic as well if you select this option. If you are using any gateway or any route server in VNet B, you can use this option as well like this. So right now I do not have anything here. Now here you need to put the pairing link name. So it's just the description, so you can put like let I as I enter VNet, VNet A to VNet B. Yeah, same here. Local virtual network pairing setting, allow VNet A to access VNet B. You can select that one as well. So once you select these two options, now click on add. So now we'll wait to complete the deployment. Here we go. So now here we can see now our pairing is completed. Pairing name is VNet A to VNet B. Pairing sync is fully synchronized and pairing is connected to VNet B. Now to test the pairing, we will let's say we are going to have, I mean, I'm having two VMs. One VM is belongs to VNet A and another VM is belongs to VNet B. So we will take a remote for this VM. So let me log in this VM and we'll connect the second VM as well. Now if you can see, I already connected VM1 and VM2. So this is the one VM. So let me open the CMD. We will see which one is this one. Yeah, so this one is VM east to west VM 01, and this is the another VM. So here also we will open CMD, and yeah, so this is the, so we will test the VNet connectivity, whether we are able to connect or to perform establish the connection between VM or not. So let me open the portal and collect the private IP address. So here, yeah, if you can see, this West US, Central US has the IP called, the IP is at 10.2.0.4, and for 01 private IP address is 10.1.04. So let's quickly connect the VM. Let me understand IP config. Okay, so this is the 10.1.0.4 and we are going to ping 10.2.0.4. Yes, we are able to ping. It means we are able to communicate with the help of VNet pairing. Similar way we'll try to ping from there as well. So here also IP config. Here we will ping for the server 10.1.0.4. So now we understand how we can do the VNet pairing, right? Let's break this pairing, and then before removing that pairing, we will do continuous ping here. So 10.1.0.4, right? And similar way we will add ping there as well, 10.2.0.4. Here we go. So we will quickly remove the pairing and we'll see uh, how it works. So let me go to the portal. So we are now in, let me go to the virtual network, click on VNet, click on pairing. Yeah, so we are going to delete this VNet pairing. So select the VNet pairing and click on delete. So you need to type here delete, and then you can delete the pairing. So we'll wait for a few seconds, it will get deleted, and then we'll validate the connection or communication between the two VNet. Yes, here we go. So let me go to the VM now. Yeah, see, the connection is break. Similar way here as well. So that's it. Now we have successfully set up VNet pairing with two VNets across the region. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to share and subscribe our channel for more technical videos, tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.